Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Alexa. I post curly hair videos weekly, and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys my Bounce Curl curly hair routine. So I did purchase their Light Creme Gel, and I also purchased their Clump and Define Cream, and this is also the first time I'm trying these products, so I will be giving you guys a quick review on first impressions. And this will also be a 3-day video because when I buy hair products, I do like making sure that they will last a long time. So I will be giving you guys quick updates from day 1, which is today, 2 and 3. That way you guys can see how long my hair lasts, and if I do need a refresh, you guys can see what steps I take. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy. So both of these products I always see on Instagram. I've been seeing them for like the past 2 years or even more than that, and I was just like, let me just buy them because literally everyone's hair comes out amazing. So I just want to do a quick review for you guys about the products before I start with my curly hair routine. So let's start off with the Light Creme Gel. So it's super cute. I think this is probably the owner, and this is also free of parabens, sulfates, and silicones. And right here it says that it enhances natural curls and promotes healthy hair. So that's definitely amazing. And for the directions, it says in the shower, completely rinse out shampoo and conditioner before applying Bounce Curl Light Creme Gel. And then there's 2 options here in the back. For thin hair, it says to distribute gel through hair after it is brushed and extremely wet, scrunch, air dry, or diffuse. And for thick hair, which I do have, it says to apply your regular cream or leave-ins, then distribute gel last. Scrunch, air dry, or diffuse. Then it says try Bounce Curl Gel alone and see what results you will get. For the avocado and rose oil clump and define cream, it says it has medium moisture right there, and in the back it says moisturizing define styling cream that will lightly hold curls in place. And for directions, it says this product is extra concentrated, so apply a small amount of cream to sections of hair. Product is thick and hair must be wet for most effective distribution. After applying cream, scrunch hair, then air dry or diffuse. And there's a little tip for volume: flip hair upside down and diffuse. So I will definitely be following that tip when I diffuse later on. And this is also free of sulfates, parabens, and silicones, and I am so excited for this because like this literally has like really amazing ingredients. When I first got this, honestly, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so small, and knowing myself, I will like finish this within 2 wash days because I am really heavy-handed with products. But in the back it does say that this is extra concentrated, so apply a small amount of cream to sections of hair. So I definitely will be applying small amounts. So really quickly, I do want to show you guys what I washed my hair with today in the shower. I did use the curl defining shampoo from Not Your Mother's, and I also used the curl defining conditioner. Both of these are like my go-to products when I wash my hair. They give me tons of moisture. And I did deep condition. I used the Naughty to the Rescue hair mask, and I left this on my hair for 6 minutes, and it left my hair really moisturized. And today I'm also going to be using this brush from Be Hairful, and I did detangle of this. It made the detangling process really easy, and it's so cute. So I am going to be styling with this. I'm going to be starting off with the Curl Clump and Define Cream, and it's sealed. I really like when products are sealed. I'm just going to smell it for you guys really quick. Oh my god, this smells like perfume. Like, oh my, this smells so good. Oh my god, this smells so good. Rating this from smell, this is like my favorite product that I've smelled ever, like curly hair product. It smells so good. It smells like rose. Like, I want my hair to smell like this when it's dry. This is what it looks like, and let me just get a little bit. Okay, so this is really thick. Ooh, it's also like silky, really soft. Oh my god, it's like you can tell that there's like avocado and rose oil in here. I'm gonna start off with this section, and I only have like this amount on my hand. Definitely, oh my gosh, like that little bit turned into so much. Oh my god, this smells so good. I'm like obsessed with the smell of this. What the hell? Okay, so I'm just, ooh, okay, that's making my hair really, really soft. I'm gonna wet my hair a little more. Now I'm going to go in with this. Let's see if it's sealed too. Okay, so it's sealed too. I always love when products are sealed. Especially, like, I feel like a lot of products that are sold at Target or CVS, they're not sealed. And, like, people can just smell it and touch it. So I don't really like that. So I don't know, like, why companies, like, a lot of companies don't seal their products. It smells different. Okay, so I'm just going to smell this really, really quick. Okay, I can definitely, it smells like candy. Kind of reminds you of, like, Sour Patch. It's not bad, it's just like strong, like a strong candy. I'm just going to be taking this much. I'm just gonna go in with my brush. Okay guys, so now this is just a little comparison. This side has no product and this side has product. I'm just gonna add some extra water to my hair just to make sure it's really, really saturated. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some extra gel, like this much. And I'm just gonna scrunch that in. Okay guys, I know I look crazy, but I just wanted to come back really quick because I am wet plopping. I've been obsessed with this technique lately. I feel like it defines my curls more and gives me more moisture. So I am going to wet plop for an hour and then I'm gonna diffuse. Okay guys, I am back. My hair is dry and I need to say this, but this is the fastest my hair has dried in a really long time. I don't know if maybe these Bounce Curl products have something that make my hair dry faster, but it literally dried so fast. But guys, look at my hair. I am shocked. Why haven't I tried Bounce Curl before? I am literally so confused. I am obsessed with the smell. I don't know why I don't hear anyone talk about the smell, but this literally smells so freaking good. This is day one and these products don't have silicones, parabens, sulfates. They have really good ingredients and my hair looks like this. I am so shocked. Oh my god, like what the hell? I am literally impressed. I am in love with these products. I am shocked. I literally, like, I know they are expensive. That's why I didn't buy them for a really long time. But these products are worth the money. Like, well, let me not get too excited. I'm probably gonna wait till day 3. You guys know that I like reviewing the products day 1, 2, and 3 just to see how well the product holds up because I am a big fan of longevity. I have nothing negative to say. Like, nothing negative. And also, like, there's like a lot of length to my hair too, so I really like that. Sometimes I feel like certain products that give me volume, they kind of shrink my hair up, but this, like, it has length and it has volume at the same time. I can like kind of like smell the product. Like out of a 10 it'll probably be like a 3 or 4, but it's like a really comfortable, soothing, like rose smell. And this is how my hair is looking like. So I really like how my hair is looking like. I haven't refreshed or anything. I don't think I'm going to refresh for day 2 because, like, to my surprise, it still looks really good. So I might refresh on day 3, but for day 2 I'm just gonna leave it like this. So right now I honestly think that even though these products are a little pricey, they're worth. I can still smell the clump and define cream in my hair, but it's not overwhelming or anything. It smells like rosehip oil. That's the smell that I'm getting. So it's really, really subtle and really, really nice. And yeah, I still have like a lot of curl clumps throughout my hair. So I'm just curious how my hair is going to look like tomorrow. I'm probably just gonna separate a few. So one thing that I do want to mention that I've kind of noticed is I think I applied less clump cream to this side or gel, and I applied more of it to this side. It's just like a little thing that I've been noticing because this side is a little bit looser than this side is. So that's like a little mistake that sometimes happens. So I will be back tomorrow just to give you guys an update for day 3 hair. Hey guys, so right now it's day 3 and it's like 10 a.m. right now. When I last finished that last clip, that was actually last night. It was like 11 p.m. so this is how my hair is looking like on day 3, and it's honestly not looking that bad, but there are some areas that are a little tiny bit frizzy, so I'm just going to refresh it, and I'm just going to be adding water. I do see here that the first ingredient for both of the products that I use is water, and usually when water is the first ingredient to a hair product, it's really, really easy to refresh with just water. It usually activates really, really quick. So I'm just going to be using water, and let's see how that goes. I'm gonna go like this, and I don't want to run it that much. Okay, so that is reactivating really, really nicely. It smooths out right away. Okay, so I'm gonna go to this side, and like I mentioned, I think this was the side I added more gel or clump cream, or like I just applied more product to this side. It's a little obvious, so it does have less frizz than this side. So I'm just gonna go and look for the pieces that need a little bit of help, and I'm just gonna spray it through. So now I'm just gonna take some water on my hand, and I'm going to put it up here. So soft, oh my god. So I'm actually going to be doing something a little different, just because it looks like I applied less of something to this side and it looks like it has a little bit less hold. I'm just going to apply some light cream gel to the front just to see if it can get some extra hold. So I guess I'm going to test it out. So I'm going to get this much. And I feel like I've never mentioned the consistency of this gel. If you guys can see, it literally doesn't move. It like stands still. So I'm just gonna take some gel, and I already put water on this side. I might apply a little extra more water. So I'm just gonna put it through. Water a little more. Just gonna shut in. Okay, so now I'm all done refreshing. I'm just gonna go air dry. I might diffuse for like 5 or 10 minutes just to get a little bit more volume, especially to this side. So I'll come back once my hair is dry. Okay guys, so now my hair is almost dry, and this literally gave my hair so much more hold than what it had earlier. So I guess that really helped. Maybe I just needed more gel to have more hold on this side. So this refresh is honestly amazing. I am in love with how my hair looks. This is honestly, I think, my favorite refresh that I've done. So it just means that these products have really natural ingredients. It's just amazing, and the water was able to go in really quick. I am so shocked. There's barely any frizz. I do think these products are worth the money. Of course, they are a little expensive, so I don't think they're like everyday products that I'm gonna use like every day to go anywhere. And since I really do like how it made my hair look, I think these products, I'm going to save them for like special occasions, like when I'm going out, or maybe like not even special occasions, but just a day when I want my hair to look really good. Or maybe if I know that week I'm going to be a little busy, this is definitely like amazing products, because this is day 3. So much volume, really like no frizz at all, honestly, and my curls look really nice, and it was also really easy to refresh. So these products, they're like on top of my list right now. I really love that. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. I hope this video helped you out, and just let me know what videos you'll like to see next, and I'll be posting another video really soon. I hope you guys are staying safe and you have an awesome rest of your week. Bye.